This is a preview video for Fast Tracks and Bright Minds, a second-grade differential reading activity by Literacy Mobility. Fast Tracks and Bright Minds is a differentiated reading resource designed for second-grade educators, integrating engaging nonfiction passages that highlight important Black innovators in STEM fields. This resource integrates engaging nonfiction passages about Black innovators in automotive and racing industries, aligning with standards to enhance literacy skills while promoting cultural relevance and student engagement. The resource includes 10 nonfiction passages designed for second graders, utilizing Dolce and Fry sight words for accessibility and ensuring students engage meaningfully with the texts. Each passage is accompanied by differentiated worksheets that focus on reading comprehension, spelling, and vocabulary activities, fostering a well-rounded literacy experience for diverse learners. Each passage includes targeted vocabulary lists to enhance comprehension, promoting word recognition. Spelling activities designed around phonics instruction reinforce high-frequency words, utilizing Elkanon boxes to support students in mastering spelling patterns and improving their writing skills. The Reading Response graphic organizer encourages student reflection and critical thinking, helping them articulate their thoughts and understanding of the texts while connecting to broader themes. Student progress can be evaluated with the Reading Passages rubric, which provides objective criteria for assessing student performance. The teacher notes offer essential background on each historical figure, enhancing class discussions and fostering deeper connections between students and automotive icons. The graphic organizer encourages students to articulate their thoughts, promoting critical thinking and making personal connections.
Hey, this is Cornella from Literacy Mobility. Here's how to use the Fast Tracks and Bright Minds second grade differentiated reading kit. First, start off by reviewing each worksheet for each historical figure. There are 10. You'll use the 3 worksheets. This is the one with the reading passage, spelling words, vocabulary, reading comprehension questions. You have the spelling and phonics practice. You have spelling and vocabulary practice. You have the Fast Tracks and Bright Minds Reading Response graphic organizer. And you have the Fast Tracks and Bright Minds Reading Response rubric. You're going to start off with your reading passage worksheet. Go over the spelling words, the vocabulary, and the questions underneath the reading passage. Have your student read the reading passage while you are performing an assessment on them. So you'll be using these two. Okay. Depending on their score, if they do well, then have them just complete the reading response graphic organizer. With this, students will write the main idea, write one sentence about the passage, about what the passage was mostly about. They will practice their spelling words by writing the spelling words and circling the one that they think was the hardest. That they thought was the hardest. They will review key details in the story by writing 3 important facts that they learned from the passage. They will choose 2 vocabulary words to write the word and draw a picture or sentence about what it means. And there's a reflection section down at the bottom. How did this passage inspire you? That's good for critical thinking. If your students were struggling with the reading, you can have them complete the spelling and phonics practice as well as the spelling and vocabulary. They can do one, they can do both. With the spelling and phonics practice, it gives, especially parents, a brief description of phonemes and what they are. Phoneme is the smallest distinct unit of sound in a language that can change a word's meaning. We also give you the phonics of the spelling words that were in the reading passage. The phonemes of the words that were in the reading passage. Car, win, race, fast, brave. Your students are going to practice using Elkonin boxes. They will practice each spelling word by writing its phonemes in the blocks below. Say the sound of each phoneme. Say the sound each phoneme makes, and write the entire word on the line below. So they'll practice actually spelling, phonics, and handwriting. And what they can do is they can either write the phonemes in. The lesson comes with cutout squares that they can place in the boxes. And then they can write out the words. Or, if you'd like, of course, you can cut this section, the paper in half. So they can just have the Elkonin boxes. Put a plastic film from the Dollar Store up there. Now you have a dry erase board. And what they can do is just write the phoneme sounds in. And also write the word. This is good for classes where there are, if you want to use these like over and over again. It's great for small group instruction, if you want to do it that way. Next, students will tackle the spelling and vocabulary. Instructions are: read the spelling words with this story to your students. Have your student listen to the words and fill in the missing letters. So it's going over spelling again. Students will write in the letters. Then, for vocabulary practice, they will draw a line from the word to its meaning. NASCAR, a car racing group. Barrier, something in the way. Honor, to show respect. Each story, spelling, and vocabulary words are based on Dolch Fry spelling words for second grade readers. Now, if you'd like, go over the reading passage again. Have them read the reading passage again while you're doing another assessment, just to see how they do. If your student was kind of struggling with reading and didn't get to do the graphic organizer, now have them complete the graphic organizer. Remember, there are 10 reading passages and activities for your students. All are innovators in cars and racing with Black history roots. Hey, this is Cornella again from Literacy Mobility. Thank you for watching the preview video. You can find this and other digital download resources just like it at Literacy Mobility. That's www.literacymobility.com. Download today, teach today. And as always, happy homeschooling, happy tutoring, and happy teaching. Bye-bye.